Hey guys, it's Taylor. If this is your first time coming to my channel, welcome. I am going to do a tutorial over this fall makeup eye look. I love fall. Fall is my favorite season. We just got engaged and our wedding is definitely going to be in the fall because I love it so much. And the reason why I love it is because of these rich, warm colors. I'm actually like really cold, so I'm wearing our hoodie, but I love the rich, warm reds, the deep reds. I love bright red too, but I am just a huge fan of the deep reds. Oxblood is like my favorite color. If I had to pick, it would be between Oxblood, white, and black. Basic, right? I know, but I love every color, so that's why it's really hard. But if I had to choose, Oxblood would be it, and no better time to wear that but in the fall. So, it is transitioning really quickly into winter. It's really cold here in Dallas and we're not so used to that. So I threw on a hoodie and I had to just really put on my best fall makeup look, and I wanted to show you guys. If you have any questions, leave them down below. Please subscribe. I cannot explain how excited I am seeing these watch time minutes go up and knowing that people are watching the content, but let me know what I can do for you to like it enough to subscribe. I mean, I know it gets into a bad habit where even I do it, where I'm watching video after video on that autoplay and I'm forgetting if I'm hitting subscribe or not to everything I'm watching. So I get it. But please do so. I'm new to YouTube. I'm not a pro yet. If there's anything I can do to better your chances of subscribing, let me know. Share with a friend, have them subscribe. I do think we'll be having a giveaway. I'm going to organize a giveaway. Subscribing is going to be a part of that giveaway, so definitely do it. And as you can see, I don't have many subscribers, so you have a pretty good chance of winning something. And no better time for free gifts than right before the holidays. So definitely stay tuned, definitely subscribe, and I will get started. Let's go. For the deep, rich tones that I'm looking for, I'm definitely going to play with the Morphe palettes, the 350M palette, my favorite, and then the fall palette, I believe it's 35F. It looks a little like this. It has some shimmer and some mattes. Mine's is actually really dirty, so sorry about that. But I'm going to dip between the two of them and probably do somewhat of a cut crease type of feel, but I want it to be very, very rich. Even though I'm in a hoodie, I'll be full glam in my eye look. So hey, sometimes that has to happen that way. But let me go ahead and grab what I need. I already have my brows on, so I'm just gonna do some primer on my lid and get going from there. I'm gonna use the Morphe primer mixed with concealer, the MAC Pro Longwear concealer. I really like the consistency when I mix these two. Once I get that in there, I am going to set it with just some translucent powder for an even base. Alrighty, now that I have that on, we'll start building the colors. I'm gonna start with a burnt orange type color. I'm gonna grab my first red, my first deep red. I'm taking that a little closer to my crease. I'm gonna take my deeper, it's almost like a maroon, but more like a rust out of the fall palette. And we'll start building that depth. Alright, so we have that built up. I really like it. It's like a red to rust, but the rust is like contrasting the red, so it sort of looks like almost eggplantish. I'm gonna do like a nude to bronzish cut crease, so let's start to build that. I love the gold shimmer, so I'm going to do a gold shimmer to a bronze shimmer actually. I'm going to use Jaclyn Hill palette for the best shimmer, I think. Pretty bright. Sort of blend them into each other. I like it like that. Alright, so let's grab some lashes. I'm going to throw on a wing liner. I'm probably going to do the tape trip because I do not feel like making sure it's all even and all that stuff. So I'm going to do it real quick and easy. So let me grab what I need and we will go over it. Alright, so while we wait on our lashes to dry, let's go ahead and put on our eyeliner. So what you will want is tape, or I have used like the page tabs insert tape because it's a little less sticky, so it hurts less. Not that the tape should hurt, definitely make it less tacky. So you can use regular tape, or I like to use the little post-it notes for like if you were bookmarking a page, just because they're less sticky. With regular tape you would want to like put it on your skin or something to remove some of the tackiness. So then you just put it from the corner of your eye, and if you want your wing going like extra up, you can do it that way. If you want it just really like straight out, you can do it that way. So can just place it there. Remove the tape and see what you got. Looks like one side is a little thicker. Sort of just threw it on there, so usually it'll be a little less. You wouldn't have to do any cleanup. think our lashes are ready. So let me grab my tweezers. Alright, we got our lashes on. We'll finish the bottom once I complete my face, so I will be right back. Alrighty, so we will let that set. While we do, let's finish the eye look. So I'm going to take that rust color that I was using in my crease and take a small nozzle brush to do my under eye, and it's always good to do this when you have baking powder so you don't ruin your foundation. As you can see, I didn't go all the way in here. I want to take this highlight in the inner corner and apply it to the bottom. That was out of the Jaclyn Hill palette. And I think it was Faint. Faint is the color. I'm going to re-highlight that portion. Now that that is there, we will put our liner. I'm drawing little dots or lines to give me a heavier lower lash. And I will go ahead and put on mascara since I'm going to do lips and the mascara can dry. If I was done after the mascara, then I would wait till after I spray my face so I don't mess up anything. Well, I am complete. This is my fall makeup. I'm loving it. It's so warm, very holiday appropriate. You know, it could be for your holiday corporate party. It can be for all of these different things. I seem to always over highlight, but we can fix that. Alrighty guys, and that is our final tutorial for the eye makeup. I hope you can see it well. I'll add some pictures. I really like it. It's very warm. And it's just classic fall to me. So if you have any questions, let me know. Thank you for watching. Come back again. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Happy holidays.